How to buy your rent-to-rent deals. Yep, that's right. In rent-to-rent, we don't own, we control. But what happens when you get 20, 30, 40, 50 rent-to-rent deals? A lot of which will be owned by tired landlords that sometime over the next 5 or 10 years are going to want to get out of the market. Well, you've basically got your own untapped pool of properties to buy. Cool, right? Simon here, and welcome to the world of Rent-to-Rent 2.0, where we control properties we don't own, we cash flow them, and then we don't go out there and buy stupid stuff. We reinvest that into assets that we do own. And that's quite on topic for this video, because some of you are so focused and fixed on owning properties, you're actually forgetting that rent-to-rent can be an amazing vehicle to short-term cash flow, but long-term ownership. And I want to tell you a story. I've got so many landlords at the moment that I started off rent-to-renting their property 2-3 years ago, and now they're actually starting to show signs of wanting to exit the market completely. So what I'm doing now is I'm putting them all onto lease options, which gives me the option of purchasing the property over the next term of, say, another 3 or 5 years. And the great thing about doing it this way is, whilst you're building rapport and relationships with the landlord and doing a great job, okay, they're letting their guard down, they're more trusting, they're less sort of attached to the property, and they're much more open. I'm not talking about people that are desperate or motivated people that need to get out. I'm talking about people that will still want good rates for their properties, but they're willing to let them go to a good home in preparation for retirement usually. So I predict that out of my rent-to-rent deals, I'm probably going to be able to buy maybe 10 or 15 of those over the next 3 to 5 years. And that is such a massive opportunity, because it means off the market deals. It means I'm agreeing on the price right now. It means that we save on fees and this, that, and the other, and the hassle. It means there's no competition because they're happy to deal with me. And another great thing here is it gives me time to plan my finances so that I can get investor finance or whatever it is to purchase the properties. And the best thing of all is that I know they work, because I've been running them for the last 3 years. So the ones that don't work, I'll be like, don't really want to buy that. The ones that do work, well, why the hell not? So if your long-term aim is to own, and you're thinking, I want to own, then rent-to-rent could be the perfect strategy for you. Don't overlook it. Trust me. I'm going to be buying tons of my rent-to-rent, so you can do the same too. I hope you found this useful. If you like content like this, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.